If you've closed down your business or thinking about closing down your business, there's still some hope. We're going to show you what the government has put in place to help your business. But before we get started, if your business operations were partially or fully suspended due to COVID-19, you're going to want to go to careserc.com to see what tax credits you qualify for. Okay, let's get started. The pandemic has affected all of us, especially small business owners. Many have already closed down or are thinking about closing down their business. The government is helping by reintroducing the Employee Retention Tax Credit, or ERC. It allows business owners to get up to $2,400 in tax credits per employee, even if their business is closed. The best part? It applies to employees you had when the disaster took place, not the ones you have now. So whether you've closed down or still open, help is on the way. To find out how much your business qualifies for, go to careserc.com.